In this video, we will introduce you to the Monet Quotation Service. The Monet Quotation Service allows any model or calculator developed using the Monet Model Development Studio to be deployed and consumed as a service by a range of enterprise applications. Typical consumers of the Monet Quotation Service include new business quotation websites, front office illustration apps, back office policy administration systems, or traditional business productivity tools such as Excel or Power BI. The Quotation Service works with two other components of the Monet platform: Model Development Studio and Enterprise Service Manager. To use a model or calculation with the Monet Quotation Service, it is simply a case of creating an appropriately configured Monet service package using Monet Model Development Studio and publishing it to the Monet Quotation Service via Monet Enterprise Service Manager. Once published, a request is made to a recognized endpoint using RESTful, SOAP, or Origo messaging formats. The primary benefit of the Monet Quotation Service is that the models or calculators can be developed once and then deployed to a range of business applications without the need for duplication or calculations and avoiding the need to reconcile numbers. These service-oriented models and calculations do the same as tightly structured applications, but the components can be loosely coupled through standard interfaces and service buses, making the overall solution more flexible. The latest version of the Monet Quotation Service allows models and assumptions to be managed independently, which means each model can use different versions of assumptions depending on the application or effective date. Assumptions can either be held internally to provide bulletproof control or externally to provide increased change agility. Each model or assumption combination can be consumed using either a unique signature, model name and version, or model name and effective date. This flexibility is particularly useful in a new business quotation scenario where a particular calculation may need to be redone using historical assumptions. Like the rest of the Monet financial modeling platform, governance and audit is baked in. With each model or assumption set loaded into the Monet Quotation Service, there is always direct lineage back to the original source code and underlying parameters. This means there is never any doubt about where a particular result came from or when or who produced the numbers. Furthermore, the inputs and results for calculation performed against any model can be stored either locally or in a database for downstream audit, analysis, or recall. And for clients with exceptional performance or bandwidth requirements, it is also possible to run multiple Monet Quotation Services behind the dedicated Monet Router service. Finally, any calculation can be downloaded back into the Monet Model Development Studio, which allows all the underlying logic which is hidden from view when running as a service to be reviewed in detail, providing complete confidence in the accuracy of calculations. We're confident that once you've seen the Monet Quotation Service in action, you'll wonder why you didn't do things this way before. To learn more, please visit our website, softwarealliance.net.